Hi, I'm Wong Lee Ven from 6PS3 and I would like to talk about air pollution causing global warming. Firstly, air pollution consists of chemicals or particles in the air that can harm the health of humans, animals, and plants. It can also damage the buildings. Pollutants in the air take in many forms. They can be gases, solid particles, or liquid droplets. Pollution enters the Earth's atmosphere in many different ways. Most of the air pollution is created by humans, taking the form of emissions from factories, cars, planes, or aerosol cans. Secondhand cigarette smoke is also considered as one of the air pollution sources. These man-made sources of pollution are called anthropogenic sources. Next, there are some types of air pollution such as smoke from wildfires or ash from volcanoes, which occurs naturally. These are called the natural sources of air pollution. Air pollution is the most common in large cities where emissions from many different sources such as vehicles and factories exhaust are concentrated. Sometimes, mountains or tall buildings prevent air pollution from spreading out. However, this air pollution often appears as a cloud, making the air murky. It is called the smoke. The word smoke comes from the combining words of smoke and fog. Moreover, air pollution brings about many effects to human, plants, and environment. One of the effects caused by air pollution is global warming. Global warming is an environmental phenomenon caused by natural and anthropogenic air pollution. It refers to rising air and ocean temperatures around the world. This temperature rise is at least partially caused by an increase in the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases trap heat energy in the Earth's atmosphere. In normal conditions, most of the Earth's heat escapes into the space. For example, carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that has the biggest effect on global warming. Carbon dioxide is emitted into the atmosphere by burning of fossil fuels such as coal, gasoline, and natural gas. Humans have come to rely on fossil fuels to power cars and planes, heat homes, and run factories in the modern days. However, doing these things pollutes the air with concentrated carbon dioxide, which will cause greater effect on global warming. Other greenhouse gases emitted by natural and artificial sources also include methane, nitrous oxides, and fluorinated gases. Methane is a major emission from coal plants and agricultural processes. Nitrous oxide is a common emission from industrial factories, agriculture, and the burning of fossil fuels in cars. While the fluorinated gases such as hydrofluorocarbons are emitted by industry. Fluorinated gases are often used instead of gases such as chlorofluorocarbons, which are also known as CFCs. CFCs has been outlawed in many places because they deplete the ozone layer. Effects of depletion of ozone layer includes causing humans to expose more to UV radiation and leads to skin cancer and cataracts. Global warming has to come back quickly. Therefore, worldwide, many countries have taken steps to reduce or limit greenhouse gas emissions to combat the global warming. The Kyoto Protocol, first adopted in Kyoto, Japan in 1997, is an agreement between 183 countries that they will work to reduce their carbon dioxide emissions. Actions have to be taken fast to avoid worse issues like melting of iceberg, rising of sea level, the species loss of habitats, and other natural disasters from happening. Global warming is not a joke. Helping the Earth is helping yourself and all of us. We should do something for our planet now before it's too late. Thank you.